Hi, we're back and we're working on our accessibility learn and practice package. You'll need to go back to the very beginning of the playlist if you haven't installed the package to be able to go through the steps. But right now, we're back on that home page, homework page, and we're going to talk about step 4, the footer. All right. So what this is asking you to do is let's go back to the home page. And I'm going to click back to Builder on the top right. So we're back in the mode where we can see the components here and go down to this footer. So this footer, we're using a rich content editor, which makes it very easy to work with. And I want to adjust the size of the text here. So I'm going to click on it. And then on the right side, you can see I have my component options. I can hit edit content, and then I get a rich text editor up here. And I'm just going to highlight all of this. And we want to make it bigger because right now you cannot see it, and you need to have at least 12 point or higher on any website to make it accessible, but I like to make it bigger. So I'm going to go over here. Let's start with 16. Let's go to preview on the top right and see how it's a lot better to see. And then you can adjust them, make them bigger or smaller. I am going to make it a little bigger. I think this top one should just be, I don't know, a tad bit bigger. And then the rest of it, I am going to change to, oh, we'll go to 20. And you can just see the difference and how easy that is to adjust. So go ahead and finish this step and go to your next video.